bright and early. It's like
They
7
are?
o'clock in the morning.
Good.
We're getting ready to go play pickleball. Hopefully, if we can play and it's not too rough up there. If not, we'll just walk.
Yep, somebody did go to the casino last night. They went to bed at a decent hour.
So we didn't lose any money. Ha! That's why I'm so happy this morning. Ha!
Okay, well, it's a sea day, so I got all day to go down there.
Yeah,
All right, we're heading up to
We'll be there all
pickleball.
day. Yeah,
We'll
here
stay
we
there.
go.
Bye. Here we are in Kachini del Capitano.
For lunch.
All right, this is for lunch. She just came in from the pool,
Yeah.
so she's sweating. No, I'm just kidding.
No, I'm not sweating, but my hair
She's gooey. But anyway, when you come up here for lunch, it's free. Okay, it's spaghetti. It's a limited menu. You fill out the menu that I'm going to show you right now. This is the before.
There's your table number 20.
And this is the after I ordered. Okay, they bring it to you. They still wait on you up here. And a lot of people don't know it's up here because it's up on deck 11. And you got to kind of come through the buffet area to get up here.
It's really good. And
Okay.
it's kind of hidden.
Right, and they also have GG's.
Yeah, I always go to GG.
Okay, we're going to try GG's. Maybe tomorrow we'll try GG's. Well, tomorrow we're in St. Thomas, so we'll try GG's one sea day.
Maybe.
Maybe. All right, so we'll bring it to you what it looks like. Here I got the spaghetti. Max got more pasta, just what he needs. And I got spaghetti with mushrooms, onions, and tomatoes with extra tomato sauce. Oh, and by the way, Caesar salad. Compliments to the chef.
Thank you.
That's amore. Oh, it's so tempting. It's all so tempting. It's all so tempting. Jackson,
And Molly.
Molly, and they're from
South Carolina.
South Carolina. You having fun?
We're loving it.
What are y'all doing in St. Thomas tomorrow?
I think we're going to go up to Sky Rise and have a few drinks at the bar.
Don't forget the chicken wings.
Oh,
if they still have them.
them.
All right, what's your favorite chicken?
Party and Super.
Yeah.
Keep on drinking and keep on partying.
That's right.
Where are we going?
We're going to go to the Beatles song trivia. on
Beatles
deck 5.
trivia.
Yeah, so here we go.
I'm a Beatles fan, so
Yeah, let's see if we
we'll
can
see. Probably won't.
Let's see.
I'm a loser.
Referred to as the fifth Beatle, who is often
I know
referred to as
All right. I got
We're gonna do a
10
tiebreaker question.
and
You
Terry got
15, right? Come on
8.
over.
They were hard questions.
All right.
I refuse. See, some fun squad can only sing or dance. I at least make you laugh enough that I can refuse to do certain things.
right, babe, where are we going?
Well, we're sitting down the atrium, and we're just waiting for the doors to open for the dining room. So we're just sitting down and relaxing to the dining room.
So we're going to dinner.
That's the dining room. In the dining room. Dinner in the dining room.
All right, we'll bring you that menu right about
Now.
appetizer, chicken noodle soup times 2. Terry got nothing. Terry got
to move here and get a different look. That's written different.
third appetizer, marinated chicken strips. They are yummy. Terry got a cheeseburger off the kids menu, and I got jambalaya pasta. Max is the only one that got dessert. He got a broken key lime pie. We're not going. We're here. Do you want me to take your photo? Hopefully we will win. We're not gonna win, guys.
We're having a good time so far. Oh, well, she's putting the soul sister up for adoption. How many of y'all say swap it? Okay, majority is to keep it. Peter?
You already went all the way. Keep it.
Keep it, because you already gone all the way.
That's it.
That's it. Yes. Mi brother. Okay. Jelena, what would you say? Keep it. Okay. You've heard from the people. You've heard from the family. Right? You've heard from the fam bam. So I asked. Well, I'll explain that in a second. Congratulations, that's for you, my guy. All right. Now, here's the deal. We're going to move on over. We're going to take the quickest look at this leaderboard, and then we're going to bring it back. Why? Because even though the game has stopped here for you, it can still continue for them, okay? Now, you got 3 people at the top of this leaderboard right now, but we're going to take it on back because if we were to on this leaderboard, so taking a look at your board, would you eliminate number 12, 17, 19 or 20?
20. I would have 20.
Okay. All right. So again, these matches still count for you. So let's find out if this was a good deal still. Case number 20. Okay. Okay. What would have been your next one?
Next one I was going for was 12.
12. All right, y'all. Pop open. Case number 12. Okay.
19.
All right. Yes? Okay. 19. Okay. Let's see what we got. Okay. So that would be the $100 left up there and the 1,000. Okay. Let's find out if this was a good deal or not. We're gonna let the people tell us what they think.
All right.
Okay, you ready? Do you need an emotional support hand?
Why not? All right, that's enough.
Oh.
Thank you. You're the best. You're the best.
No, don't Don't touch me.
You are the best.
Here we go. It's time to find out if this was a good deal or not. Let's pop open and find out what was hiding in case number 17.
But then
Bonsai tree.
Bonsai tree.
Yeah. Good evening.
Hello again. Here we are. It's Monday night, and we just got out of the Deal or No Deal show. And guess what? This time the guy had $1,000 in his case.
You saw it.
And he no deal. And then he dealed. $211. And I can't believe it. It's the first time I saw somebody with $1,000 in the case. I wish I had $1,000 in my case.
They always say, do you want to earn Carnival's
I would
money?
love it.
It's not Carnival's money.
Whose
Think
money
about
is it?
how many cards they sell at $20
Yeah,
a
but you
piece,
bought
40
from
bucks.
Carnival.
And
It was Carnival's money.
it was your money, then it became their money, but
No.
they still made money.
No, I
So to
wish I
speak.
had $1,000 in my case.
You do have $1,000 in your case. All right.
So, anyway, we're getting ready to go to bed, and tomorrow we're in St. Thomas. We're still just trying to decide what we want to do, but hopefully we can make a decision, which is a really hard thing for him and I. It's like, what do you want to eat? I don't know. What do you want to eat? What do you want to do? I
And
don't
Red
know.
made us a glass with a bonsai tree.
Bonsai tree on it. Whatever that means, I think it means good luck.
I'm not sure he's from there.
It means good luck.
All right. So anyway, we gotta get out of here.
Yeah.
We might be going to the beach.
Tomorrow, not tonight. We're
Yep.
not going tonight.
Right. Max and Stephanie and Dave may join us, but we're not sure.
We'll
So,
see.
we'll see.
We'll see. We'll make that decision
All right.
later. We're going to
All right.
St. Thomas tomorrow.
All right. See you in the morning.
Night.